I want to introduce my journey to Norway. From Lithuania, Vilnius, I will go straight up into Norway, and this is day one. Day one is go straight forward from Vilnius to Tallinn. I think I will make 1 or 2 stops to rest my feet, but basically it would be straightforward, the driving experience. Then this is the beginning, actually. Let's go. Finally in Tallinn. I'm waiting for a line. So right now it's 4 a.m. and it's 2 hours before the ferry leaving. So I'm going to fall asleep a little bit and we will see what we got in the morning. What? Oh, okay, I need to find 9. But I don't see this one because I just get 30 minutes of sleep and I was wake up by car next by me who's beeping to wake up because I need to get in the line. So yeah, I'm here standing in the line and the rain is pouring outside. It's a very heavy rain. And I don't know how many hours we need to wait, but my ferry is 6 a.m. in the morning going from Tallinn to Helsinki, so I think it left 1.5 hours. Oh, okay, my line to go to make a chicken. So line is 15 and it goes straight forward because that's my line. Oh my god. Little update, I'm on the ferry. I slept for a while, for 30-20 minutes maybe, and I hear the knock at my bus door and the gentleman saying these words like, oh mate, you can go because you first holding the line, and yeah, I managed to go to the ferry, so yeah, I think it's okay. I think it will be 2 hours from Tallinn to Helsinki in the ferry. In the meantime, I will go for a sleep because I slept, I don't know, in the last 24 hours 2 hours. I drive 8 or 9 hours straight from my home to here, so yeah, I need a little bit of rest. Okay, I will update you then I will be in Helsinki in Finland. So welcome to the Finland. Here I am after 2 hours. We arrived at the Helsinki. Hello. Yeah. We are on the Finland shore. I just wake up after a few hours of sleep, and today's plan is to see several interesting things. Oh, look at this nice van. Okay, so today's plan is to see one fort and several, I don't know, the buildings, and actually just explore the city. I got the 1 day all transport ticket, and yeah, it's underground one. One think I forgot to mention, I'm using public transportation, and they had the metro. Also, here's 8 euros one-day ticket that you can buy and use for every transport you can find in the Helsinki. Metro, it always makes me happy, and because they're very fast and are very deep in the ground. They seems fun. It's a huge stairs to get down, but what I can say, this is a market and a lot of coffee shops. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, behind me it's a cathedral of the Helsinki. I'm heading to one of the forts here in Helsinki. Is right here. So right now I'm in the island side where is the fortress, and fortress is behind me right here, and actually we found very nice cannons. This is a huge cannons for, I think, defense system. But like you see in the perspective of the humans, so it's massive. And I think it's operated by several people, because one to need to just check the aim, another to load the bullet, and I think several more people just to operate that, to make the high and cornering. Actually, it's very fun. Yeah, it's interesting. So we are back from Suomenlinna Island, where it was Suomenlinna Fortress. Actually, it's very nice and very good place just for chill, and actually a very good, interesting history about that island. Right now I am in the one of the district where it's very beautiful buildings, and let's say it's hipster area, because here are a lot of coffee shops and other shops. So I will check it, and after that I will go home because I need to rest for the next day.